Peace to the gods and the goddesses of the nation and of the land and of all creation. You already know, bring you that powerful, uplifting voice to the people. And you know, we're going to do it just like that. But, oh yeah, make sure that you tune in tonight because I got a lecture regarding discrimination in the churches, namely being the Christian and Catholic churches. But that's not what I'm about to talk to you guys right now about. You know, I got a lot of heat, people not liking what I said about Eminem, which I really don't care about. You can't do nothing to me. And I doubt that you really want to do anything with me because the majority of the people that was talking on my live was some people that's hiding behind a computer without a tough bone in their body. But for those of you who really felt that way, and I can understand people being, you know, fans of Eminem because I was once a fan of Eminem. And I bought multiple albums from Eminem. And for me to hear him say that about black women, that really hurt me. But that wasn't really the basis of the video that I posted. The basis of the video that I posted was that it was black people that, okay, yeah, Nick Cannon is trash. His music is garbage. We all know that. He's trash. He can't do nothing with Eminem. No shape or form when it comes to rap. But the message that he was sending in that song regarding black women captured my attention. Forget all his raps. It was the message. And I felt that black people as a whole, those who was riding with Eminem, and if this whole thing wasn't about, if Eminem never said that, I'd be riding with Eminem too, on some real lie, because Nick Cannon is trash. But the problem that I had with the whole entire situation was the black people ignoring the fact that this man said something racist about black women. And the thing, hold on, let me fix this phone. Let me just get down to the point. We have to respect our women. And by respecting our women, I don't mean letting your woman run all over you, take advantage of you, and do you dirty. That's not what I mean. What I mean is protecting your woman, standing up for your woman, no matter the race, shape, creed, nothing. It doesn't matter. I'm talking about all women, black, white, Chinese, Puerto Rican, Indian, Somalian, it doesn't matter. I'm talking about all women. We to a point in life where we start respecting women. Now, if a woman, it's typical for a man and a woman to have an argument. I'm not talking about you having an argument. I'm not talking about you breaking up. I'm not talking about families being split. I'm talking about we have to still acknowledge that the women is the most vital things to America and the world in general. The woman who nurtures you for 9 months. Everything that you eat, she eats. And yes, there is some women out here that abuse that authority. And we'll save that for another time for them. But we're talking about good, honest, good women who don't deserve to be hurt, put in shame, belittled, put down. No shape or form. We have to learn to appreciate our women. They are the teachers of the earth. They are the bearers of the fruit. If we didn't have women in this world today, do you know where this world will really be? This world will be fucked up. Because let's be honest, for us men, look at all the violent things that go through our mind. If you're a man, you know that some violent shit can go into your mind. And us as men, we deal aggressively with the things. But what do we have? We have that woman to calm us down like, no, baby, listen. We got to handle it this way. I don't want you to put yourself in a predicament where you hurt not only yourself, but me and your family. These is the benefits of having women. Women have had an impact on our entire civilization. How much do you value your mother? When there was issues going on in your life, who did you run to? Did you run to your dad or your mother? I know some people do run to their dad. My daughter has a tendency to run to me. She's daddy's little girl. But guess who I ran to? I ran to my mom. When girls grow up in their teens and there's certain things that they scared to talk to their dad about. And yes, some do go and talk to their friends. But who else do they talk to? Their mothers. Our mothers are the teachers. Our mothers give us the advice that's going to be vital for us for the rest of our lives. There is no love like a mother's love. And this is not throwing shade to all my fathers out there. But be a good dad. Be a great dad to your children. Show them the way, instilling them right from wrong. But let them know deep down inside that, listen, mommy is the one. Mommy controls all of this. Mommy will have us put on high, and without her, we'll be set down low. Mothers are diffusers. They know how to make a harsh situation better to where people can deal with things more peacefully. Mothers look at things in more than reason. They don't pick sides. They look at the issue that's at hand and they differentiate what's right and what's wrong, and they handle it then. They're willing to discipline you. They're willing to give you advice. They're quick with giving you history. Mothers are our pride and joy. Women are our pride and joy. Not to mention that they give us something beautiful to look at. Tell me, young man, when you look at that woman, tell me how you feel. You feel like nothing else in this world exists but her. This is how special the woman is to us. Look at how they nurture our children. Look at how their bodies are built, that our children can live off of their mothers up to 5 years old. Look at how when you're in the womb, the emotions she feels, you feel. The pain she feels, you feel. We are connected from the time that we are forming in her womb. Look at the beautifulness of a woman. Her body is so immaculate that it doesn't even hold eggs that's old. It releases them to create new life. This is how perfect and priceless women are. We have to value our women. We have to protect our women. We have to search for our special woman. We have to take advice. You ever had your girl, you be like, yo, man, I'm about to go do this, I'm about to go do that. And your shorty be like, babe, I don't feel right about that. Maybe you should just stay in the house tonight. Women have the intuition that can save your life. Value that. Hold on to it. Capture that. Remember it. And secure your woman. And like I said, this is just not for black women. This is just for all women. We have to learn that our women, the woman, are goddesses. And they are vital to the advancement of this whole entire world. Stay tuned for that lecture. Peace and blessings to the gods and the goddesses of the nation and of the land and of all creation. And everyone be blessed.